Hey guys, Marcia here from Balance Jiu-Jitsu. We have 5 minutes to improve your handstands, so hit that like button and let's get started. Place your heels at the wall and then walk your hands out to downward dog. You want to create a nice strong structure, so make sure that your hands are at least shoulder distance apart. This supported version of downward dog is a great way to improve shoulder flexibility and strength. Your arms need to be able to support your weight, so start by taking one leg up the wall, pressing your toes into the wall and straightening your leg out completely. You want to keep your arms activated, so draw the biceps and triceps in towards the bone and have your shoulders, core, and upper chest all engaged. At the same time, you want to make sure that you can hang your head heavy so that you are not clenching your neck. As you bring that leg down, make sure that you rebalance in downward dog again, placing your feet so that they're the same distance apart as your hands are. Take a few breaths here before you get ready to bring the other leg up the wall. Make sure that you keep nice strong arms by pressing your hands into the floor as you lift that foot and press that into the wall. If you are finding this challenging on your shoulders, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and check out some of our other shoulder opening videos. You want to keep your shoulders strong and healthy, so make sure that you work in a very mindful way. Our next handstand variation will have us walking both legs up the wall so that we can make an L shape with our body. Keep the elbows and shoulders over the wrists and your hips level while you press the feet into the wall. Remember, if this is enough for you, then just stay here. Otherwise, we're going to lift one leg up into the air. You have to keep your whole body engaged as you lift that leg. You want to also make sure that you're not hyperextending your arms. 2 tips to avoid hyperextension are keep the elbow creases facing each other and also put a small bend into your elbow to relieve any pressure. This variation is a great way to practice, especially if you're scared to kick up into handstand. Really try to keep the leg in the air straight and extending out through your heel as if you were in a full handstand. And then walk your feet back down to the floor and come into child pose. You can rest in child pose as long as you need to make sure that your arms feel ready for another repetition of this variation of handstand. As kids, we have no fear of going upside down, but as adults, it can be frightening. So make sure that you practice these different stages so that you know your arms can hold you up and that you feel confident. Handstands have a way of making you feel invincible and are a great way to get energized. So you're gonna wanna do this one again. So bringing your feet back into the wall, and then we'll lift one leg up into the air. I always find the second time that I do this, I feel way more strong and way more flexible. It's important that you listen to your body here though, so if your arms are shaking or trembling, then it's important that you come down. Otherwise, repeat this variation by lifting those legs up into the air. As you prepare to come out and you walk your feet down, make sure that you do it with control so that you don't just fall down. And then as you bring your knees to the floor, you can rest once again in child pose. Small breaks or rests between repetitions are important. You want to check in with your body and make sure that you haven't caused any injuries or strains. Now it's time to turn ourselves around and kick up into a full handstand. Keep those hands shoulder distance apart and hands pressing down into the mat while you lift your whole body up and extend up through your toes and through your heels. Make your legs as if they're one, and congratulations, you have done a full handstand. If handstands are new to you, you want to work with repetitions, but if you've been doing them for a while, then longer holds are better. Again, as you come down, you want to come down softly and not clunky, and then resting again in child pose. Take as long as you want here to reflect on your practice and also to rebalance your parasympathetic nervous system. I'm going to end here by just putting my legs up the wall. So as I get settled, I just want to thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have a friend that you like to do handstands with, please share this video. Make sure that you leave a comment if you found any merit in this video, and also if there's something that you would like to see.